Good morning, kids. How are you? I know it's a tough time for you because you are unable to come to school or go outside to play. So you use this time to learn something useful. Our teachers have uploaded many useful videos, so you take benefit of this time by learning something from those videos. I'm your math teacher Suman ma'am, and today I will teach you the first lesson of class 4. So let's start. Today we will start unit 1, that is numbers up to 9,99,999. The topics that will be covered today are 5-digit numeral and 6-digit numeral, abacus, place value, period and place value chart. Reading a numeral and writing the number name. In class 3 you have studied up to the largest 4-digit number, that is 9,999. One more than the largest 4-digit number is 10,000, and 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. The largest 5-digit number is 99,999. One more than the largest 5-digit number is 1 lakh, and 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. The largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. Abacus. It is an instrument that uses beads for performing mathematical calculations. We also use it to represent a numeral. Here, the numeral shown by the abacus is 4,37,365. With this help, you can also write the number name. So the number name is 4,37,365. Places. It is the position of a digit in a numeral. And here the places are written from smallest to largest. First one is ones, second is tens, third is hundreds, fourth is thousands, fifth is 10,000s, and sixth is lakhs. The places of different digits in a numeral can be shown by a place value chart in the following way. Numeral 5,42,671 is shown on the place value chart, and with its help we can write the places of the different digits. The place of 5 is lakhs, 4 is 10,000s, 2 is thousands, 6 is hundreds, 7 is tens, and 1 is ones. Place value. The place value of a digit in a numeral is the product of the digit and its place in the numeral. It means if you have to write the place value of a digit, you must multiply the digit with its place. Each place represents 10 times the value of the place to its right. It means tens is 10 times more than ones, 100 is 10 times more than tens, 1000 is 10 times more than hundreds, and so on. Here the numeral 3,82,526, and you have to write the place and place value of different digits. Place of 3 is lakhs, and its place value is 3 into 1 lakh, that is 3 lakh. The place of 8 is 10,000s, and its place value is 8 into 10,000, that is 80,000. The place of 2 is thousands, and its place value is 2 into 1000, that is 2,000. The place of 5 is hundreds, and its place value is 5 into 100, that is 500. The place of 2 is tens, and its place value is 2 into 10, that is 20. The place of 6 is ones, and its place value is 6 into 1, that is 6. Periods. We group the places into periods to read the large numerals without difficulty. And The 6 places are grouped into 3 periods. So see what are they? Ones, tens, hundred are grouped under the period ones. 1000 and 10,000s are grouped under the period thousands, and lakhs is grouped under the period lakhs. And now you have to learn how to write a numeral in standard form. To write a number in standard form, you must give comma after the periods. That is done here. After the ones period, there is a comma. After the thousands period, there is a comma. Okay, there is a numeral before you, 4,53,769, and in that 2 digits are colored in red. You have to write the place and period of these digits. The place of 5 is 10,000s and period is thousands. The place of 7 is hundreds and the period is ones. Place value chart. It is a way to make sure that the digits are in the correct places. It also helps in reading a numeral. So this is the place value chart in which we have periods and places. And the number shown here is 8,45,692. And here the standard form is written and the number name is 8,45,692. And the last topic is reading a numeral and writing the number name. You all know how to read a numeral and write the number name, but there is a technique to do so. While reading a numeral and writing the number name, all the digits in the same place are read or written together, and the name of the period except the ones is read or written along with them. It means the digits which are on the same period are to be written together, and along with it the period is to be written except ones. So you see here the numeral is 2,14,567. 2 it is on the lakhs place, so you are writing 2 lakh, and 14 is 1414. 1 is on the 10,000s place and 4 is on the thousands place. So we are writing these two numbers together and writing 14,000, and 5 is on the hundreds place, 6 is on the tens place, and 7 is on the ones place. So we are writing it together 567, but here we don't have to write ones. 2,14,567. So at the end of this video we have some homework to do. So I have given you 5 homework. In first one you have to show the numeral on the abacus. In second one you write the number name. In third one you have to write the place and period of the red digit in the different numeral, and in 4 you have to write the place value of red digit in the numeral, and the fifth one is write the numeral in standard form. So thank you. I hope you understood the concept that I explained today. The other part of this unit will be explained in the other video. So bye and take care.